Welcome back, guys, for another weekly geo analysis. Currently, right now, I'm on the daily time frame. Daily time frame structure right now is bullish, but we are looking for a counter trend to get on sell opportunity for that retracement. So, two places we're looking to see if where we will take our TP is around that 30% or a little below that 61.8% where the last higher low was made. Right, so those are two places we're looking for a TP if and when we actually get in for sale, right? Um, H4 it's still bullish, right? H4 is bullish. Also, there's some exhaustion up here on the H4 time frame, so we're gonna see if price gonna respect that area as an exhaustion level or resistance level. H1 also um, structure is still bullish, so we're looking to see we're looking for two things. We're looking for two specific things on the H1 time frame. One, for the structure to break, and two, we're looking for a break of our trend line, right? So those two things has to happen. And the third thing is we need a lower high to be made, right? We need that. We need that lower high, right? So for us to take our sell opportunity. If we don't see a lower high on H1, then we are not gonna take our sell. So, like I said, I said three. I said two things were supposed to happen, but it's three. Um, Support needs to be break. We need that. We need support to be broken. Also, structure, which is one and the same. If so, it could be one and the same. And the second thing is our trend line need to be broken. Right. That's the second thing. And the third thing is we need a lower high for us to take a sell opportunity. If those things doesn't happen, then we are not gonna be taking any sales. All right. Um, like I said, we are looking for a sell opportunity just so we could take counter trend trade. Also, Tuesday there's CPI news, so price should be very volatile. So hopefully it goes in a counter trend direction, but I don't know how price is gonna react to the news on Tuesday. So trade and risk what you guys can afford to risk or lose. This is it for this video. Main thing on the daily time frame, the price, the chart or structure is a bullish structure, but we are only looking for a counter trend sell right now before we could go back on trying to buy again. Um, the weekly time frame, it's possible that it's still a bearish. It's still bearish, but we still got that higher low right here, and another one right there. So for that weekly structure to be broken, we need two candles close above this level right here or resistance level. Once those two candles close above it, then that structure is, you know, it's gone. Then we'll just be looking for in a different direction. But overall, based on daily time frame, our main time frame for this whole week is gonna be our daily time frame. It's bullish. So, but like I said, we're only looking for a counter trend sell right now. So, anyway, good luck, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.